Tawashi is a reusable sponge, so you can use it for washing yourself, or you can use it to wash your dishes or to clean the table. The thing is, you're using old socks that would have been thrown away, and this is like a forever sponge because you can wash it in a dishwasher or in a washing machine also. So you can make it with like colors you like, and the size of it depends on the size of your waving loom, of course. And yeah, and I was surprised that here no one knew about it. Like, it's a new thing in Finland, tawashi, and I'm happy I'm bringing it here today because in France, like it's just crazy the number of YouTube video you can get to make how to make tawashi. But yeah, I'm happy to bring something here. Here we have like my favorite recipes. The first product that I did for myself, so toothpaste and deodorant, because those are like first emergency product that I needed to be zero waste. So deodorant is actually very easy. You only need 3 ingredients. You have like coconut oil, potato or maize starch, and then baking soda. And then for toothpaste, that is more like tooth powder. I just mix clay with baking soda and some essential oil. It could be citrus or mint, depending on your taste. And then what you do is, like, when your toothbrush is wet, then you just put it like this on the powder, and then when you put it into your mouth, it basically turns into a paste, and then you can brush your teeth as you normally would. The problem with normal deodorant is the chemicals in it. Those are pretty safe because those ingredients I will eat anyway, so I can put them on my body.